tasting. Yes, it's wine tasting. It's been a while. I haven't really go out for wine tasting for so long, and like today we go with my group, my fiance group of friends, and we hang out only today, go to the wine tasting and have some dinner later. So I'm gonna do a layout that fit my outfit today. Just kind of have that boss, girl boss looking. So you see my earrings, and I'm gonna make up a little bit dark, or more like give it the vibe of like a woman, a mature woman. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna wear my lens first from AI Winery lens, and this is my favorite color. It's called magnetic gray. This one, because I'm wearing gray too, so why not? It's a perfect combo. I'm gonna prime my face. So I've been liking the Judy doll a lot. So one trick that I learned from TikTok is that if you want your face before makeup that gonna help stay for a long time, yeah. So there's one way you can use primer and put a lot in the area that you want more coverage, you want more to cover the pore, and then you wait for a few minutes, and then you wipe it off. Next, I'm gonna use concealer first. Now is the main thing, the foundation. Loving this fluorescent cushion a lot. I bought this on an Amazon sale, Prime sale. I bought the product, the Pure sale, and this one I heard that is super popular between makeup artists in Korea. So let's try to prep our skin today. Does this look like this? Oh, it's called 24/7 Colostrum Pore Defense Ampoule with Pixel Beyond. So there's a lot of good things about this, so we just try to set it first. The spray is kind of to your face, but I'll tell you about this later. Why the foundation is setting. Of course, my favorite eyebrow powder.
Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue.
Combo. I'm pretty CE. I'm gonna use a lighter color first.
Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me.
Very beautiful nude color.
Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I'm missing you. See you in my dreams, it's torture as it seems, but I'm missing you. Missing you. Make me blue. You make me blue. I'm missing you. You make me blue. Missing you. Make me blue. You know I'm missing you.
Let's do the eye as light as possible so we can focus on more on the lips. So use blush color Makeup Revolution.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be
Let's do a little bit of orange on top.
doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable. Oh, nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we'd be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me, cause you love solitude more than me. Now I gaze in your eyes every night underneath kitchen lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give me wings. Sometimes all I wanna
Beautiful. Let's do a little bit of glitter.
do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable. nothing. Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue, and I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue, and I miss you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I'm missing you. See you in my dreams, it's torture as it seems, but I'm missing you.
It's done. Let's do with the. No, I mean it's done with the lashes.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces, but I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we'd be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me, cause you love solitude more than me. Now I gaze in your eyes every night underneath kitchen lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give me wings. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit.
Black brush. Use eye palette.
absolutely nothing.
Gừng nó đỏ.
Red lipstick always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture in my bedroom, then post it online. Tag location is LA. I'm living my best life. Can't win this game, pretty or insane. Can't win, still play pretty or nah. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all
Perfect. Everything is done. I'm gonna check my hair, redo my hair, and then we'll be ready. Good morning. This is my outfit and makeup to go for wine tasting today. This is actually a really nice makeup that I did. So hopefully you guys like my video like I started, because I think I'm gonna be late, but no. Let's wait until the end to see what happened at the winery, or if I'm gonna be late, you guys. Okay, let's get started.